Now this one right here is a DM100 4G smartwatch. And yeah guys, that's a smartwatch. Now let's see what we get inside the box. Now if we open it, we only see Smartwatch. So it's not a brand name or anything like that. Now let's see if we can get this one out. And as you can see, this watch is massive. Now let's remove this thing right here and let's try it on for a second. So there we have it, and it's just huge. Now compared to my iPhone 13, it's like half of it. So we have this little side pocket, charging cable acquired, and a little screwdriver, since this one has a SIM card slot, so we can actually open that one up and we put our SIM card inside. So they thought about that one, and this one will be the huge charging cable.